Hi, hello friends, very good evening. This is Nagarajan from the Market Decoder channel. Welcome to the pre-market report. We are looking at the Nifty's daily chart. Nifty has formed a good support and formed a double bottom at 15,700 levels. And for past few days, it is in sideways. It has formed a double bottom and double top. The double top remains at 16,400 levels and the double bottom remains at 15,730 to 770 levels. So what is mean by this double bottom and double top? So usually when the market gets consolidated in the it forms a sideways, and that is where we get to know or get to see this kind of double bottom and double tops. So Nifty formed a doji plus confirmation at the bottom of the downtrend, so it is a signal for a good reversal. That is where the double top is formed for getting a consolidation mode. So what can we expect from this double bottom and double top is, so we'll go to that 1 hour candle for getting an intraday view as well as the next upcoming days view. So it is very evident from this chart of 1 hour, it has formed a good double top at 16,400 and 16,414. So if you go with the double bottom and double top, this is going to be a good consolidation. So if this consolidation is getting broken in the upside, which is going to be the neckline at this level 16,400, and if you calculate from here to the neckline, it will be around 4%, so 3.95%, close to 4%. So if the neckline is getting broken, we will be able to see Nifty at 17,000 levels, and if Nifty is getting broken in the bottom, we will be seeing 15,100 levels. So that is what is all about this pattern here. So there are a lot of mixed news around the corner. Global news are there, and even the local news are there. The petrol prices are getting sliced, and interest rates are getting hiked. Then a lot of export data, a lot of inflation data is coming up and struggling in between for the market. So market is really getting struggled due to a lot of news, and that is where this kind of consolidation happens. So let's have a look on the option data. That is where we will get a view on how these biggies or the smart money is getting played around these levels. Let's get into the option data. So option data is very clear. 16,000 is going to be a very good support for this expiry, monthly expiry, which is having a huge open interest, and same way 16,400 level is having a very huge open interest in the call side, and as well as 16,500 is a very huge than the 16,400. So the market will remain between these levels at least for next couple of days. So this is what is the view on technical as well as the option data says the same. So let's remain very cautious during the trades and do profitable trades. Yeah, let's get into the Bank Nifty and see what happens to Bank Nifty. In Bank Nifty as well, we have a similar view. Bank Nifty formed almost a double bottom close to 33,000, which is going to be a very good psychological support. It fallen from almost like 38,750 to 33,000, and it started moving up towards 34,655, and it made another top of 34,819. So these levels are also forming as a double top and double bottom. That is where a consolidation happens. So what can happen at this level is we have to get a breakout in either side. So either side breakout will decide the trend. So if you are getting breakout in the upside, so what will happen to the market? So if you calculate this bottom towards the neckline, that is almost like 5%. When the breakout happens above 34,800 levels in 1 hour, that is where we'll be getting to see close to 36,400 levels. But definitely we'll have a good resistance at 35,140. that is where this gap down is getting filled. So if there is a resistance, and it will the Bank Nifty will come towards the bottom of somewhere around 34,700, then again there has to be a breakout in the upside. So this is the view for Bank Nifty for at least for next couple of days, at least for this monthly expiry. We'll have a look on the option data, what the option data suggests. So option data suggests a very strong support at 34,000 levels. 34,000 has become a very strong support even in the charts as well as in the option data. So if you look at 34,500, it is having a very decent resistance in the top levels, and 35,000 remains very strong resistance. If you compare 34,000 from 34,000, 35,600, 34,500, 600, 700 till 900 and 35,000, there are very few amount of call options, whereas the put options, and whereas the call options remains a huge mountain kind of resistance. So if we want to get break above this level, which is 34,800, that is where the next levels will be seen. For sure, it is very evident like 35,000 will be tested at least once in this expiry. So stay tuned for upcoming videos and upcoming levels for the pre-market report. Thanks for watching the video. Take care. Bye-bye.